Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you the whole manufacturing process that I've already done to make the holes on the ATM walls, the Apollo telescope mount. These holes are necessary because in these points I'll then have to insert the spheric tanks that were present in this part of the ATM, and this is the spherical tank. I take it in my pieces bank. I have a lot of pieces. I show you at where here. I show you it where. I show you it. I have a lot of pieces that I can use for this project, but in this case I need only 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The spherical tanks are pieces already left over from a previous model. And as you can see, I have already made a test hole. One moment. Always the same bad habit. As you can see, I have already made a test hole and I'm satisfied with it. Now I show you all the process necessary to do the order, because in this part of the model is necessary to have 4 spherical tanks, one in each side. One, the first, another here, another here, and another here. Okay, in this way is good. As you can see, we have the correct position. And now I show you all the process necessary to make the orders holes for this model. I take my drill and I started in this way. Okay. Okay. Now I change this part of the dream. I use the and now I take this. Okay. Nope. Yeah. What is? Oh, yeah, it's good. Now the old dimension is correct for my necessity. I show you the spherical tank, the 1/2 of the spherical tank inside the Apollo telescope mount, and this is good. Now I proceed with my work to do all the others necessary in this part of the model, like this. I show you. This is the inside view of the Apollo telescope mount, and at the end I remove this part of the resin because it's not necessary. Okay. Okay, now once the 4 holes here are completed, I will proceed to make the 4 more holes in the ATM's lower part, in this position more or less. But these holes will be smaller in size. In fact, I show you the next spherical tanks for the model. The dimensions are so I show you in this way. There is a big difference between the yellow spherical tank and the green. I can tell you green. The dimension is so different. And now, before to start with the other part of the work regarding this section of the model. I show you all, I'm so sorry, all the four holes that I made with the drill. Okay, now I show you if it's possible. No, yes, 1, 2, 3. More or less. Hopla. This is a bit. This is the 4 final position for the spherical tanks present in the low part of the Apollo telescope mount. This is out, and this is the view inside now. I show you. Hopla. I show you in details. Once I have completed the work to make the remaining holes, my work will proceed with making all the other details present in this part of the model. And now, always with the same incredible book that I use every day for this project, for this model, I show you. Where is the pictures? One moment, please. Yep, I show you. One moment. It's so. Oh. I show you. This is the Apollo telescope mount, the low section. This is the telescope tube. This is the big spherical tanks, one in every side, and this is the small spherical tanks. And the other details present on this part of the model are there. These and these, and all these details are present in 4 sides of the Apollo telescope mount. This is the telescope, and I decided to use this. Where is? I'm so sorry. This tube, the plastic tube, to reproduce the Apollo telescope. The dimensions are perfect because this is the diameter. I show you. The diameter is correct, and this side is good. I don't remember, I'm so sorry, but now I don't remember the correct word to describe this part of the piece. But this is the Apollo telescope mount. And it go inside in this way at the end of the work, more or less. More or less, the final configuration of the Apollo telescope is this. Okay.